What's going on, everybody? Back again with another video here, Diamond DeFi. Another great week of being in Cryptex, and I gotta say, absolutely amazing. I've been able to add some more contracts this week. I've been blessed. It's another project that I was in. I got some profits from, and of course, I took those profits and I bought some more contracts. But yeah, another incredible week in Cryptex. Between my account and my wife's account, we hit about 49,000, a little over 49,000 this week, which is just an amazing blessing, an amazing week. All this income is passively, and I just want to say that it's been a grind to get to this point, to get this many contracts. But if you focus and you make this your goal, to max out your accounts to get those 130 contracts, like you can do this and be on your way to a early retirement. And I just feel that this opportunity is going by a lot of people. And what's great is that I had another person today sign up and join my team, which if that's something that you're interested in, you can scan the QR code there in the corner. It'll take you to my website. You'll get additional information about what Cryptex is, how to get started. Everything that you need for Cryptex, to know about Cryptex, is on that website, not including all my YouTube videos that I've posted. But I just want to say that Cryptex has been a blessing, an awesome opportunity, for us to be able to get this amount of money in a week is just unheard of, right? So if this is something that you feel that this opportunity is something that you want to have, this opportunity is something that you feel like you're missing in your life, and you want to change your life and get your life to a better point, the Cryptex is the opportunity that you need, because we all know that crypto is not going anywhere, right? It's not going anywhere. It's here to stay. And there's going to be a very limited amount of people on this entire planet, when you look at it at a global scale, who actually have crypto. So this is your chance to make up for lost time, right? Because these are time-based smart contract protocols, which means that every contract that we've bought has an expiration date. So even though right now our funds are locked, right? They're locked in the Cryptex wallet because our contracts are still ongoing. At some point in time, those funds are going to become unlocked, right? We have an expiration dates on our contracts, right? 2, 3, 5, 7 years from now, whatever. The point is that it's a means to an end, right? We're not just buying these contracts for nothing. We're buying them to not only become financially free, but knowing that when they expire, they're going to pay out. And Cryptex is continually paying people. People's contracts are expiring. They're getting their funds, and so the sooner you get in, the sooner you're going to be able to get paid, right? Both me and my wife today, we made another over $6,000. Like, anybody can do this. It doesn't matter who you are. There's no credit check. You just need a password and an email address. Doesn't matter you got a criminal record, whatever, felon. You can do this platform. It's completely decentralized, and that's why it's so powerful. And so don't let this opportunity pass you by. You didn't find this video by accident. You're not watching this video by accident. There's some part of you that wants to change your life in a better place, going in a better way forward, and this is your opportunity. So I hope you all enjoy the video. If not, please like and subscribe to my channel for more Cryptex content. I'm always looking for ways to help people get into Cryptex, and if you join my team, right, you're going to get the Zoom call meetings, the leadership meetings, the back office training meetings, the group text, the group calls, all those things. So this has been another video by Diamond DeFi. Thank y'all for watching it, and I will see you in the next one.